Alright guys, we are at Oxbow, but a little bit different. We're on a boat. We finally got a boat. We've been fishing for the past few days and learned the waters a little bit, and we've been catching some smallmouth, surprisingly actually. A few largemouth, but mostly smallmouth, which is really weird because it's pretty rare to catch one in Oxbow, but we've been fishing the Sacramento Delta mostly, Sacramento River mostly, and that's where they tend to be, those smallmouths. And yeah, we're just gonna still continue to figure out and just keep on fishing today and get out there. Let's do it. I just would like to have a topwater bite. Oh my god, dude. How do I do this?
I just figured topwater for the early morning.
Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Oh my god, what a cast. There we go. Alright guys, first fish of the day. A lickle largemouth. California Delta largemouth bass. First fish of the day, first fish for me. Let him go.
I've seen him come up and eat it, dude. Oh, he can in the video.
Better one.
Yeah. Is that the bigger one you're talking about?
Yeah.
No, just keep it going.
Yeah.
He just dropped his pole. Here, Jacob. Fucking idiot.
All on camera. Let's
I didn't
get
get
it.
on camera. Shut up, shush. That didn't happen.
About as dumb as they come.
The fish slipped up,
Fish, yeah.
slipped out of my hand, and then he pulled.
That's awesome. Come on.
Oh, got him. Got him.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. All right, bud. There you go.
That's how you young kids, that's how you do it.
That was on the old rattle trap. Nice solid 1.5 pounds.
They fat.
Let's try to catch one ourselves though. You feel? You feel, guys? There's a little one.
I got one.
Jacob
Where?
hooked up with a nice
Didn't have the cameras out yet.
little bass. Damn,
He's fat.
He
Football.
green.
Oh.
Nice, man.
Smallmouth. The brown one.
Important.
Yeah. He gone. Got one.
Got one. Better.
Oh, he came off.
Came off.
Oh! Did you just see that?
No.
Dude,
come
right
back.
in front of it. Dude, that was big. That was big. That was big. Smallmouth, big. He came back and ate it. Damn, he wanted that.
Has to be. Oh.
It's alright.
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
in the water.
So that Whopper Plopper was coming zinging back.
Go.
Those dudes coming? Yep. They ain't gonna slow down.